If you saw my last video, these might be the best leftovers you have ever seen. Stay tuned. All right, so this is the next day, and now we're here in the kitchen. You might be wondering, what the hell am I doing? I already shot the video, but a lot of people are probably gonna be wondering, what am I gonna do with, that's a lot of meat, what am I gonna do with all that extra meat? Leftovers are great, and it was so popular last night. Not a lot of meats left, so while I still can, how easy is it to make leftovers? Gonna go ahead and show you. Just go ahead and get our burner turned on, and same bun we used. Let's put that directly in our cast iron skillet. Let this brown up, and I'll bring it back. All right, checking the timer on the camera. It's about 3 minutes. Go ahead and get this taken off. Got some nice char on there. Get our beef tallow a stir. We're gonna put just a bit in this pan. Let that smoke a little bit. Then roll. So this is how much meat ended up having left. Not a whole bunch. We had about 3/4 of it last night. Keep that moving for a few seconds. Turn our heat down just a bit. All right. And once that is nice and warm, it doesn't take long. Get that formed into the shape of our bun again. I have one piece of provolone, just cut in half. Lay that over. Then immediately take our bun again. Put that directly on top. All right, and once we have some nice cheese melted around the edges, we can go ahead and take this off, and easy as it can be, just take your plate, put it on top, turn your heat off, grab something that you're not going to burn yourself on the skillet, and flip it. How easy can that be? Of course, we can't forget our cheese sauce. Doesn't that just look delicious? Now that we've got our cheese sauce put on, go ahead and give you guys a taste test. Guys, that is so easy. See my dog right back here? She's just waiting on some. Too bad, this is all mine. Oh, sorry about that. Would you like me to do a classic Philly cheesesteak instead of just the JD cheesesteak? Let me know in the comments below what you would have done differently. Didn't have to be a traditional Philly cheesesteak. Just let me know what you like. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and hope to see you in the next one. Be sure to check out this other amazing video.